Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 1. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is, how do you handle exceptions in Apex? Your answer should be, exceptions in Apex are handled using try, catch and finally blocks. The try block contains code that might throw an exception, while the catch block contains code to handle the exception. The finally block contains code that will execute regardless of whether an exception is thrown or not. Example. Please have a look at the given example. Our next question is, what are the different data types supported in Apex? Your answer should be, Apex supports various data types including primitive data types, integer, long, double, decimal, string, ID, boolean, data, date time, time and blob. Collection data types, list, set, map. S object data types, account, contact, custom objects, etc. Enum, enumeration of constants. Classes, interfaces and object, custom types defined by developers. Our next question is, what is a batch Apex? When would you use it? Your answer should be, batch Apex is used to process large volumes of records asynchronously in batches. It is useful for handling jobs that would exceed normal processing limits, such as operations on millions of records. Batch Apex allows for efficient management of processing large data sets by breaking them into unmanageable chunks. Our next question is, explain the purpose of database.query method. Your answer should be, the database.query method in Apex allows for dynamic SOQL queries. It is used when the query strings need to be constructed programmatically at runtime. This method is useful for situations where the structure of the query is not known until execution. Please have a look at the given segment. Our next question is, what is the @is annotation in Apex? Your answer should be, the @is annotation is used to define test classes and test methods in Apex. It indicates that the class or method only contains code using for testing and is ignored during deployment to production. Key points include, ensures code coverage for deployment, helps to verify that the code works as expected, provides isolation from actual data and logic. Our next question is, what is the difference between a public and global access modifier in Apex? Your answer should be, public. A class or method is visible across the application or namespace but not outside of it. It is accessible to other classes within the same namespace. Global. The class or method is visible everywhere, including across namespaces and in managed packages. It is required for classes or methods intended to be used by skeletal applications or packages. Our next question is, How do you ensure data integrity in a Salesforce application? Your answer should be data integrity can be ensured by using validation rules, enforcing business rules on the data before it is saved, trigger and apex logic, writing apex code to handle complex validation and business logic, relationships and lookup filters, defining master detail and lookup relationships with appropriate filters, unique fields, defining unique fields to prevent duplicate records, governor limits, adhering to Salesforce governor limits to ensure efficient processing and avoid runtime exceptions. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you are preparing for any Salesforce based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, current and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.